Alt-R.
Hi, it's Dr. Robinson, and today I'm going to hit teachers make Google Slides. And they more or less kind of put pictures in them, and I'm not telling anyone anything new. And this is
Blank.
how
Type in text.
you access a drawn out table, which is not really a table, though it will start reading columns and rows. But this is how you're going to go ahead and access this. You do need to have Braille enabled. And when you don't know a command, you can Alt/. And I'm just going to do that so you can see how it gets you to your menus.
Alt/menu bar banner region. Search the menus Alt B, R, A, I, and L. Enable Braille support. Control Alt H checked 1 of 4 to move to an item.
Okay, it does not matter whether you're using a Braille display or not. Enabling Braille gives you access with your screen reader. So Control Alt H, I just highly suggest memorizing that. But when you're creating and you need more commands, Alt/ is just really great. So you don't have to memorize where everything is within your menus. I'm going to hit Escape and get out.
Escape. Copy of Math 1 Agenda 202324 Google Slides. Escape.
The next is you need to make sure your cursor is off. Insert Z. If you're in laptop mode, you can caps lock Z.
Off.
Off. Now you can tab.
Preview horizontal. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, February 5th. Slides. A, Ray 612 review.
You can tab back up and get to the title also. But this is basically a huge form field. So you need to hit Enter to access it.
Enter. Selected. Monday. Document content edit. Blank. Type in text. Enter text selection row 1.
And now you can actually tab from column to column.
Unselected. Blank. Enter text selection row 1 column 2 Tuesday.
And if you have a Braille display, of course, you're going to see Tuesday. I'm going to shift tab back.
Enter text selection row 1 column 1 Monday.
Okay, and I'm going to down arrow.
February 5th. Enter text selection row 2 column 1 February 5th. Slides. Link start A, Ray 612 review link end.
And down arrow.
Slides. Link A, Ray 612 review.
Okay, and when you get to a link, you're going to Alt Enter. This is the student, so I don't have access to the work, but I needed to do a video for her and everyone else who is going to come across this because a lot of teachers do this. They don't, anyway, I don't have to explain that. You get it. You get a lot of inaccessible items, and this is how you access it. So Alt Enter will always open your links. I'm going to go ahead and do that.
Alt Enter. Opening new tab. Loading page. Loading complete. Access denied. Microsoft Edge personal. Access denied document.
Control W.
Closing tab. Close. Copy of Math 1 Agenda 202324 Google.
Okay, and once you're in there, of course, you can easily tab to each cell item.
Enter text selection row 2 column 2 February 6th. Mr. V. Day steering committee complete test corrections under assigned Khan Academy.
Okay, so you hear it quickly. The cursor is always at the bottom of the cell, so you do have to up arrow when you hear a link. We didn't hear a link here, so we're going to tab again.
Enter text selection row 2 column 3 February 7th. Slides. Link start Mattia link end new line link start Khan link end new line.
And now you're hearing links, so you do want to up arrow to access them.
Blank. Link. Khan link.
Okay, and once again, Alt Enter will open that so you can do your work.
Blank. Slides. Link. Mattia.
Okay, so you actually need to go to your link. On your Braille display, it's actually going to be underlined. So you're going to Control right arrow or route your cursor.
End link. Colon. Link. Mattia.
Okay, and that's what you want to listen for. And of course it's not Mattia, but anyway, Mattia. Anyway, so that is how you easily navigate these so-called pictures, because that is what your screen reader is going to call them often. And just think of it as a huge edit area that you need to access, and then you can start navigating. Okay, that is how you do Google Slides when someone inserts a huge image of a table, and then of course how you navigate and open links. Hope that helps.
You have started screen share.